I said wop bop a loo bop. Tutti frutti on Rudy. 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 Wop bop a loo bop. Got a girl named Sue. She knows just what to do. Got a girl named Sue. She knows just what to do. She knows I love you, yes indeed. Boy, you don't know what you're doing to me. Tutti frutti on Rudy. Tutti frutti on Rudy. Tutti frutti on Rudy. Wop bop a loo bop. I got a girl named Daisy. All one drive me crazy. Got a girl named Daisy. She all one drive me crazy. Rock to the east, rock to the west. She's the girl that I love best. Tutti frutti on Rudy. Tutti frutti on Rudy. Tutti frutti on Rudy. Wop bop a loo bop. Together tonight. Got some money in my jeans and I'm really gonna spend it right. Well, I've been doing my homework all week long, and now my house is empty and my books are gone. Woo! Come on, everybody. I want my baby's number one, but I'm gonna dance a 3 or 4. Well, the house will be shaking from the bare feet slapping on the floor. Well, when you hear the music, you just can't sit still. Looking for the warm rock and your sister will. Woo! Come on, everybody. Well, we're gonna have a party, but we gotta put a guard outside. Well, if my boots come on, I'm afraid they're gonna air my eye. There'll be no more movies for a week or two. No more run around with the usual crew. Who cares? Come on, everybody. I'm gonna tell them Mary about Uncle John. He said he had a beauty, but he got a lot of fun on, baby. Well, now, baby, ooh, baby, have me some fun tonight. Well, I'm Tom Santa shit, I bet it's what you got. Everything that Uncle John need, oh, baby. Well, baby, ooh, baby, have me some fun tonight. Some Uncle John, way forward, it's out. Some baby, come on, and down, but get it out, oh, baby. Baby, having some fun tonight. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. Well, you ain't no brother and you ain't no friend of mine. You said you was high class, that was just a lie. You said you was high class, that was just a lie. You ain't